Welcome to ValidCreative Website Builder or Business Builder. Our website builder or business builder is search engine optimized and provide powerful tools to help you succeed online. Building a new website can take only minutes. Let's get started with your first project. First, visit validcreative.com and click on Website Builder. Click on Sign up for free. You can register for free or select one of our premium plans. Our premium plans offer additional features and benefits. Let's start by clicking Free below the free plan to get started. Enter your company name or a title for your new project. Enter your URL. This must be lowercase, with no spaces. This is a free subdomain that we offer to get you started. You can always upgrade later to any premium plan to add your own custom domain name. After clicking on Continue, enter your username, email address, and password. Click on Create Account when you are done entering your information. Welcome to your dashboard. Here is where you will manage your website and request support. Next step is to import a starter template. Under Design, click on Starter Templates. Click on Expand, top right, to get a better view. From the drop-down menu, you can filter your options based on your project. Or, you can type your niche in the search field. Select a template for your project and click on Import Complete Site. Select Delete Previously Imported Site, then select Import. The import process may take less than a minute to complete. You can click on View Site to see the results. If you are happy with the results, close that browser tab. Back in your dashboard, click on Expand. You must edit each page to fit your business goals and vision. Click on Pages on the left sidebar, then All Pages. Under each page, you can click on Edit or Edit with Page Builder. Edit with Page Builder takes you directly to the page builder. Clicking on Edit gives you a detailed view of that particular page. Premium users will gain access to additional features such as SEO. Let's click on Edit with Page Builder to continue on with the setup. Here, you can edit each element of that particular page. When you are done editing, remember to update to save changes. Then, click on the X, top left, then click Exit to Dashboard. Next, click on Customize under Design. The Customize option will allow you to make global changes. You can change your logo, site name, tagline, and much more. Some of the settings here can be changed back in your dashboard under Settings. Remember, you can always request support by clicking Support, lower left within the dashboard. Free users can request technical support and premium users receive additional support. Also, consider joining our affiliate partner program. Get a $25 sign-on bonus, up to 50% recurring commission, and 10% recurring commission for the life of the customer you referred. Well, that's it for this tutorial. Happy building and see you in the next video.